Hello, kids! Today we are drawing an orange. Let's start. First, I make a rough sketch with a brown pencil. Now, I outline it with a black marker. 2 leaves in the twig, round shape defining the orange body. We are adding a slice of orange beside the whole orange. Now a cute face. Done! Time to color.
Baby colors.
Do you know that oranges are a great source of vitamin C? It looks bright like morning sunshine. Leaves are green. Outside of an orange is yellow orange. We will add yellow, brown and red in other layers. Ta-da! Our orange is ready. Bye-bye.